All right, so we're going to put it over 1. We're going to put that same conversion unit here. Okay, so what we're doing is shortening it up into, instead of having 3 steps, we're going to make it one long problem. I turn my paper the long way because it might take all that space.
What, like this?
Yes. So then we're going to use this same conversion unit here, exactly the same way. We're going to cancel units the way we did before. So now that I've gotten that far, I can see that I will have, if I did the math here, moles of calcium. Rather than going ahead and calculating this answer and moving on to a new problem entirely, I'm just going to start with what I know is going to be the moles of calcium and go to this next step.
How do you know that?
Okay. Huh?
You really only have to put the second part from now on because the first part will you'll get from
Yeah, yeah. So here, look, here's the moles of calcium canceling here, and I'm successfully now at moles of aluminum. And instead of finding an answer and then putting a new one down here, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the next conversion unit.
Because you'll get an answer.
Yes. So this is the conversion unit I'm putting in. It's right here. It's a balanced equation. The balanced equation is where the coefficient 2 and 3 come from the balanced equation. Okay. That's the molar ratio step. All right, so 26.981538 grams of aluminum over 1 mole.
That's the math.
That's the molar mass of aluminum. That's this step right here. Yep. Give your best answer. You can't lose any points. You can only gain points in this quiz. Okay? So these cancel. So look, we canceled all the units and species except the one we were looking for all along. Okay? So if we do the math properly, we should get pretty close to the same answer. It's actually a better answer than the other one. It might be exactly the same. Now look, here's what you need to know about this. So get out your calculator. It's really important that you use, please don't interrupt me. You need to, this is something I've told you many times in class, but we've never had a problem where you actually had to use this. Okay? What you're going to do is, the first part of this is what we've been told before. You multiply everything across the top. So in your calculator, go ahead and multiply 5 times 2 times this number. Everything across the top. Okay. Everybody got that? Yep. Now, then once you have the answer, all right, once you've hit enter or equals and you've got an answer, then you're going to hit the divide button and put in this first number on the bottom. And hit enter again. We're not done yet because now we've got to hit that, once you've hit enter or equals, now you've got to do it a second time. So now you're going to hit divide by 3 and enter. And that'll be your final answer. You could do that if you wanted to, but that's just extra work. This is a way of putting in your calculator that gets you an answer faster. Okay? So 2.2408553321. Okay, thank you. Let's see. All right. Okay, so we underline our insignificant digits. We've got 3 digits here, 5 here. These counting numbers don't matter. This number matters, but it's way longer than this one, so this is the one that's going to govern how many significant digits we're going to have at the end. So we have 3 significant digits, 1, 2, 3. I know on everything after that. I didn't put my units of measurement over here. I need to do that. Draw an arrow to show that I'm going to round off this answer. And we get 2.24 grams of aluminum. Yeah, before we got 2.25. But this is actually a better answer. This would be a more accurate answer. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it.
How do we like?
That was the homework?
That was, what I did was to show a,
Well, we gotta go. We still.
yeah, some people think it's easier to do it this way.
Do you think we can do another problem and we like do it that way?
From now on, you can do any of these mass stoichiometry problems this way.
I know, but like, can we do another problem? So like, I be understanding how to do it. I just don't know how to get it from
Like an example.
Okay,
how it's worded sometimes.
okay, sure. All right. Yep. Almost through. I got a few more to do.
With some good grades on the
No. He said good grade.
Oh, it ain't.
It's all right. One that passes and 2 passes.
Okay? So the question is, if 3 grams of lead 2 nitrate is dissolved in water and mixed with a solution containing an excess of potassium iodide, what mass of lead 2 iodide will be produced?